Hey, I didn't even see you there. I was just reading this book on how to Kota the Friend. Let's get started. Listening to Kota the Friend always makes it feel like it's going from a dark and cloudy day to like a nice and bright and sunny day, So that's kind of the vibe that I get from all of his music. So let's make something like that. So go to your room and grab your mini piano from on top of your guitar bag. It should be right on top there, Just that's where I leave it all the time. Now with our mini piano, we're going to play 4 chords. So these chords are pretty cool, but we're going to need to make them a little bit cooler. So take your piano and put it on your couch. And now take your cool sauce and just put it all over your piano, just everywhere. And now your piano should be super cool. Look at this guy. Look at his jewel. Yo, dope. And now it should sound like this. So now let's go find your hi-hat. You should just be able to find him right on the balcony, just looking off into the distance and kind of just enjoying the view. Now, when he's undefended, hit him. Hit him, hit him, hit him, and just keep hitting him. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, get him. Yeah, okay, stop. Okay, that's too much. Stop it. Stop. Now what you're going to need is a clap. So go find a friend, or if you don't have any friends, a mirror. Now go up to the mirror and just clap your hand. Perfect. Now for the kick, just go to your computer and find your peanuts, and then beside your peanuts should be all your kicks. Here's your drum pattern all together. Perfect. Now let's play the cool piano with the drums. Now we need some vibes. So go to your washing machine, turn it on, and start it. Yeah, awesome. Now what you're going to do is you're going to stand far away from your washing machine, and then as your washing machine starts, slowly move forward towards your washing machine. Now let's hear the whole song all together.